Okay, so let's look at a problem here. Last year, Pinwheel Industries introduced a new toy. It cost $3,600 to develop the toy and $20 to manufacture each toy. So we're going to fill in the blanks, and we're given this as a model to go by. And see why this is not focusing. There we go. And then we're asked to come up with our model. Well, remember, this is our initial cost, $3,600. So no matter what, that's what it's going to cost us to develop the toy. Then here it's $20 per toy, or however many toys, where N is the number of toys. Okay, so $20 per toy with the $3,600 just to develop the toy. So that's going to be our function that we're wanting. So that's the function that we would place in here, right here. That would be our function. And then the total cost to produce N, where N is 4,500 toys. So using this right here, okay, we're given the N. We're given an N is 4,500. So we're wanting to say, okay, how much is it going to cost us produce the amount of toys, the 4,500 toys. So I'm going to substitute that in for this N. So I'm going to have cost is going to equal 20 times 4,500 plus 3,600. Okay, so 20 times the 4,500, and then we're going to add the 3,600. So when we calculate that, and I can use my, bring up my calculator here. And so, let me move it over so we see what we're doing. So I'm going to have 20 times 4,500, comma, plus 3,600. So there, we just put that in our calculator, and I get 93,600. So that's what it's going to cost us to produce 4,500 toys. Right, so that's going to be our second B. And then C wants to know, I'll pull my calculator down, with $76,600, a total of how many toys can be produced. So now we're looking at this right here, this 76,600, and we're going to see how many toys we can produce. So let me bring this back up. So that's the cost. So C equals 76,600. So I'm going to plug that in for my C and solve for N. So 76,600 equals 20N plus 3,600. Subtract 3,600. 3,600. That cancels, so I'm left with 20N. And then do my subtraction. 0, 0, 0. 3 looks like 73,000, and then divide this by 20, and again we can bring up the calculator if we don't want to do that by hand. 73,000 divided by 20, and it looks like we get 3,650. So that's how many toys we can produce with $76,600.